first name. Not Jonathan. It's not Jonathan. Eddie, how do you do this model? This is your model. Yeah, I know. This just got played after you.
Okay, folks, here we go with problem 6. One thing to notice in the picture, first of all, we have 2 right triangles indicated. I'll draw them in there with green and with red. And these triangles form the core of what we're looking for. If we're looking for the shortest length of cable, we'll put an x variable there. We're looking for this hypotenuse for this to reach the top of the mountain. So between the green and the red triangle, we need to write several equations. So it looks like here we need to find a missing length. Notice on the green triangle, if we had the length here that I labeled y, we do have a height, and we could actually figure out by Pythagorean theorem what the value of x would be. So let's see if we can figure out a length for y. As I look at that red triangle, I'm seeing I have an angle in the corner. This has been labeled the opposite side as 3400, and this side, of course, where the y is adjacent. So I can set up, since this is a right triangle, I can set up an equation here, and I have opposite and adjacent involved. That lets me know that I'll do tangent. And so I write tan of 70, oops, if I pick the pen here, Grams. Tan of 74 degrees equals opposite over adjacent. Opposite is 3400. Adjacent is what I'm solving for. Now for this one, to make it easier to solve, you can write it over 1. And then we'll do a cross multiply situation. 3400 equals y times tan of 74. So my y will be 3400 over tan of 74 degrees. And then I hit the calculator, 3400 divided by tan 74. That tells me y is 974.93. So this length is now the distance here. And once I have that distance, if I add that to 800, I will have a side length here. I also have a side length here. And now it's simply a Pythagorean calculation. It'll be my a squared plus my b squared equals my x squared. I'll let you finish that on your own. I will publish the final answer when I calculate it. So running through the calculations, here's what I end up with. You can pause this recording if you want to do the calculations quick. Here's the answer. So with that 0.4 feet, I would say let's probably round to 38.30 or 3836, 3,836 feet. Be sure we have enough cable. And there you go.